This is exactly how I'm making a shit fuck of money on Instagram and how you can do it too. I'm gonna give you my entire blueprint on what I'm doing right now. Right now, I'm just yapping on the internet, bro. You see me talking here. That's all I'm doing. I record myself for 1 minute and post it on TikTok. Right now, they pay for views on TikTok. And I'm also posting it on Instagram because on Instagram Reels, it's super simple and super easy to grow right now. If you post daily though, so if you notice, I've been posting daily. Post daily, get paid for views, then sell a course, sell a community, sell coaching, sell services. You can literally yap about whatever you want, bro. It's whatever you know, your expertise, your skill. If you know how to work out, if you're good on health and nutrition, yap about that. Then tell people to go buy your ebook in the link in your bio, or go make a paid community and sell that, or sell one-on-one coaching. It's that simple, bro. Make videos, sell a service, or sell a digital product. This is exactly what I'm doing. I'm getting paid from all types of ways, from the views, from the link in my bio, from coaching, from my community, from a course. You can do this too. If you want to learn, comment down below sushi, and then go click the link in my bio. In there, I have a community for $11. Go pay the fucking $11, join the community, and I'll teach you everything. In there, I have all the courses. Stop playing, bro. You know what you need to do. Every day is Monday.